Hey, Mr. Hare, why are you herring around? Haven't you heard of Cadbury's Caramel? See how the thick Cadbury's milk chocolate melts into smooth golden caramel. You'll just have to take everything really easy, just like old Tortoise here. Take it easy with Cadbury's Caramel and new nuts about.
This message is being broadcast by the British government. A paranormal anomaly affecting most of the nation has been recognized. For your safety, please keep your television on and follow our instructions. At 3:10 p.m., a hostile biological entity designated the Titan was confirmed at Pelsall Manor Farm. Preliminary intelligence, including recovered civilian footage, confirms the entity is extremely aggressive and highly volatile. Current surveillance indicates an estimated 50 active units roaming the region. These entities have caused catastrophic structural damage to multiple high-density areas. The BBC reports confirmed casualties have surpassed 2,000. Despite reports of unauthorized signal manipulation, the following regional intelligence remains verified. Active hostile entities have been confirmed in the following sectors. England, full saturation. All counties remain under red tier threat. South Scotland, high-density activity reported across southern regions. Wales, targeted sightings and localized incursions confirmed. Northern Ireland, a single confirmed entity has been identified. Intel update. Mobility, surveillance and tracking data indicate the entities possess aquatic mobility capabilities. There is high confidence that the subjects are capable of sustained maritime transit, rendering coastal and island territories vulnerable to further infiltration. The following instructions are mandatory for survival. 1. Shelter-in-place mandate. Do not attempt to travel. Immediate proximity to the Titan entities is fatal. Fortify. Retreat to the lowest level of your structure or a windowless internal room. Sealing. Reinforce all entry points. Avoid upper-level floors where structural integrity may be compromised by high-altitude impacts. Silence. Maintain absolute noise discipline. Turn off all non-essential electronic devices and silence mobile phones. 2. Maritime and coastal advisory. Given confirmed aquatic mobility, all coastal residents are advised to move at least 5 miles inland or to higher ground immediately. Do not attempt to use personal watercraft for evacuation. 3. Communication and supplies rationing. Prepare for a minimum 72-hour isolation period. Conserve water and non-perishable food items. Monitoring. Keep battery-powered radios tuned to the BBC or local emergency frequencies for further updates. Verification. Disregard all unofficial social media reports. Follow only verified civil emergency signals. This message will now be active for the next 15 minutes to ensure the nation's safety. May God bless you all.